All right, we got one on here. First one. Probably a big trout. Let's see. Oh, it's big. Probably a big trout. Right here on Canyon Ferry Lake. Probably a big trout. It's got some weight to it. Among the boat. He is a runner. Whew. Want to get up under my other fish over here. Hold the drag. This side of the boat. Oh my gosh. It's a big rainbow. It's a big rainbow, just like we thought. Get over here, buddy. Oh my Lord, that's a big fish. Woo! We gotta get the net out here with one hand. See if we can net this sucker. Whoo, he's big. Big fish. Come here. Come here, bud. Whew. That's a big one. That's a big one. Yes, sir. All right, get the pliers. Just started fishing less than 5 minutes ago. Already got this big boy. All right. All right, we got the hook out. This is a brute. That's a good 21, 22-inch fish. Going in the live well. All right. We're out here on beautiful Canyon Ferry Lake. Trolling for walleye and trout today. We've already hooked up with about a 22-inch rainbow. Not a bad fish. Probably went about 4 to 5, maybe 4.5 pounds. Pushing 5, I'd say. So he's in the live well. He'll go into smoker at some point. Trolling crankbaits. Can't tell you what my secret crankbait is. Maybe I will later, we'll see. But yeah, it's just amazing out here. Surrounded by mountains. Absolutely beautiful day. No wind, no rain. Beautiful clouds. A typical Montana summer day. So stay tuned and we'll see if we can catch some walleye and maybe some more big rainbows.
I'm on a mountain. My friends back east are always telling me, man, you're living the dream. Moved out west, followed my heart, got a Montana place. So yeah, I'm living the dream. Yes, I am. And I don't miss all those crowded streets. I don't miss the humidity. And I don't miss not seeing the sunrise or set. Don't miss not living free. So here I am, living out in the west. Sometimes it feels like I got this place all to myself. these roads and rarely see another. I fish these rivers and creeks, man, it's really something else. I'm living a dream, yeah, living a dream, just living in a dream. I've waited for this for a long, long time, and now here I am, living on mountain time, yeah, living on mountain time, just living this mountain time.
Getting crazy out here now. This is our third fish in less than 5 minutes.
See another. I fish these rivers and creeks, man, it's really something else. I'm living a dream, yeah, living a dream, just living in a dream. I've waited for this for a long, long time, and now here I am, living on mountain time, yeah, living on mountain time, just living this mountain time. You just can't beat summertime in this land. You see the sun shines every day, and the clouds out here, well, they're just not the same. The water here, it's got a different feel, it's just got a different flow and humidity. Now what is that out here? It's just not in the game. Yeah, I'm living a dream, yeah, living a dream, just living in a dream. I've lived through this for a long, long time, and now here I am, living on mountain time, yeah, living on mountain time, just living this mountain time.
That's 2 in 1 minute. It's what you call a fishing palooza out here today. Ooh, it feels like a trout. Strong fish. If it's a walleye, it's a big one. Come on, baby. Let's see what we got here. Let's fight. This trout out here is strong. They are strong. Get in there, buddy. We're cleaning some fish here. Got our battery-powered fillet knife on board. Got a fish cleaning rubber mat here. Now I've learned that it's better to clean them out here on the lake than take them home and then have to deal with all the scraps. Plus, clean them out here. Meat is fresh and it goes straight to the ice. Look at that fillet. I'm gonna measure this big one. Looks like he is 22 inches. It's a good fish. Make some nice fillets. So let's get started on this one. Oh yeah. Nice wild fish. Has that salmon colored flesh. Great for the smoker. The walleye will go in the grease and the trout go in the smoker. Look at that. Wow. What a fillet. I've got to show you this. My goodness. That is beautiful. Look at that. color of that. Yeah, we brought one silver bullet with us, so we'll enjoy this on our lunch break. Oh man, it's cold. Got a fish on here. Walleye. It's a walleye. Not a big one, but it's a walleye. We got one on here. I do believe just did put this lure on just now, 2 minutes ago. Oh, looks like a big trout. A little deeper diving lure. That might be a walleye. Let's see. Yeah, it is. It is a walleye. Alright, I got something here. Whoa! Whoa! It's big. This is the fish of the day right here. Woo! I don't think there's any doubt. This is the fish of the day. Whoa! He is pulling drag. That's a big fish. It is big and strong. Strongest fish I've ever caught out of this lake so far. Wow.
Nobody is here living near western water.
Come on, buddy.
Just happier her fishing.
Get a look at you here.
Special water
Coming in. So many wants to.
man, that's the deal.
Whoa!
Waiting in the flow.
Big rainbow. Strong fish too.
Just feel so
Big rainbow. We're just cruising along here. Getting late into the afternoon. We've had quite a day. I've lost track of how many trout we've caught. I think 6 or 7 walleye now. It's been a really good day. Out here fishing in western waters. Look at the view out here. Mountains out here behind you.
it's just so real.
And I'm only seeing this one boat right now. One way out there. Pretty much have this to myself. Whoa. Okay.
Spend your time making happy.
Whoa. What's the beast? Oh yeah.
Well, they say water.
Oh yeah.
It's just
Oh yeah. Fighter.
But I have found out just a while ago that those western waters
Drag.
are different feel.
Walleye. We caught our limited rainbow trout. We caught a bunch of walleye. Beautiful day. We're gonna head back in now. So enjoy the ride. Here we go.
I'm fishing for real, doing what I love. It's no longer a dream, no longer a dream. 'Cause now I'm living it real. I guess my buddy's back east, so right. I'm really living my dream. Just living in a dream. I'm really living on mountain time. I love living this mountain time. It gets me high. I guess old John Denver was right. living on mountain time.